Sumant here. I'm the founder of BlogDog. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how BlogDog works and just show you like different things you can do with it. If you just install the app, do me a favor, please click activate now and just enable base CSS by BlogDog. It will take you to like a screen where you can like check base CSS. Like it's super simple. Just click on activate now and make sure it's activated and you save it. Once you're done with that, shouldn't take more than 30 seconds. Once you're done with that, um, let's create a new article. To create a new article, just click new article, and you can do two things. Either you can update an existing article that you already have on Shopify, or you can create a new article from scratch. I'm gonna create a new article from scratch. Yeah, you know how Shopify has like blogs. Um, you can select which blog you want the article to be in. Um, I only want have one blog. I think most people only have one blog, but if you have multiple, you can choose it. And as for article title, let me save this one. Create article. I'm gonna start from scratch, and let's see. This step is the name you give here is only for BlogDog, you know. So it can be anything. It's just for my reference and your reference, you know. Bikepacking 2024 article. Let's go. All right, boom. The article was created on Shopify, but it's empty, you know. And I'm just gonna show you a few things on the dashboard. On the left hand side, you can see SEO score. This gets updated once you start building out the page. An ideal score to aim for is like around like 60. You know, over 60 is a good score. And you can also assign author to your articles. I'm gonna show you how to do that later. You can see how the okay. Let me add something, right. Let me add a paragraph, and you can see how like things look on mobile by just clicking on the icon. It's a mobile preview, and you can see how it looks on desktop. And let's see what else. You can also change the template if you want, and you can save the page you built as a template, which you can use at a later stage on a different page. You can also preview this on Shopify, see how it looks on Shopify, which we'll do it again. But yeah, that's pretty much the dashboard. It's pretty straightforward. To edit text, you can just like double click on it and like start typing. That's it's as simple as that. Uh, all right, now for the important part, right? BlogDog can add like things to your blog post that make your article pop and help with SEO. And these are some things you can add, right? Like we have a lot of things you can add, but I'm just gonna show you like the some really cool ones. For example, you can add like images side by side. I know many people don't know how to do it coding wise, so they have a trouble with this thing. But you can do this with BlogDog. All you have to do is like just click on add, and you can come to columns, and there you see like bunch of different options. I can show you one yeah, and you can just like edit the text by packing bag. You can also edit the text you can also change the button URL and stuff on the left hand side. You can set text here, and you can change the button link here. Same for the image. You can change the image URL here, alt text here, and you can also add a link to the image if you want. That's just this one section, right? We have like many sections like that. And let's say, so that's one. You can right click on things to delete them and duplicate them or add new things below it. So what else? These are some things we have. Like we have 4 column images, and we have like a lot of things like product related. If you're doing like a product review, you have like pros and cons. You can add those things, and you can also add like things like something like this, that if you're writing a review, for example. Also, this is like a drag and drop editor, so you can just like move things around. If you're like building like a product review, like this section is like really makes it pop. It's really great for for users, for like from a user experience perspective, it makes it easy for like you users to like go through what it is. Uh, and one of the coolest things you can do is you can also add accordion, like a FAQ section. You can also add a rating section. Um, yeah, it looks like this. If you want to like rate your products, you can also center things, change the color. Like, yeah, you can do pretty much whatever, all the basic things you need that to, you can do it. And all of this is like responsive by default, so you don't have to worry about like making it look nice on mobile. They look great on mobile by default. You can see how it looks, as you can see, right? Like, they look good on mobile by default, so that's another thing. And one really cool feature that I want to show is like an advanced table. Like, some top affiliate sites use this is like, and I think they have some of the like biggest affiliates I know use it, and I copied from them. I don't have any shame in saying it, but you can say modeled after them. But yeah, like you can add like stars, you can add like images and all the stuff, also buttons inside the table. You can build this with BlogDog. It's super simple again. While we are here, let's add an author. Let me add an author. Okay, click assign. So I already have the author set up, but if you don't see any authors here, that means you need to like add a new author. You can just click on go to authors page and add a new author. And once you assign it, like you'll see an author box at the bottom. If you want to change something for the author box, you can do that as well. You can just come in here and type something, and that changes things for the author. Once you're done, click publish now, click preview, and there you go. So this is how it looks on your actual Shopify store. So by default, we like BlogDog matches everything, like font, and your font, like by default, like all the font matches your theme. So that's why we don't have the option for you to like change font sizes, because if you do, like, I mean, you have the option to change font sizes, but like not the font family and stuff, because if you do that, then it just messes up the whole article and doesn't look good with your theme. So, and that's how it looks. Yeah, there you go. That's BlogDog for you. Uh, and okay, let's also check one more thing. The SEO score, if you click view details, is at 21. It's actually pretty bad. So you can see here all the things you need to improve. Like your word count is right at the minute it's like 635, which is pretty low. You want to aim for like 1300 to 1500. As the more you add, the more words you add, the score will go up. Same thing with heading. You need to add like a main keyword. This, for example, and once you add a main keyword, we will our tool will look for the keyword within the article, and also it will fetch like bunch of these related keywords from like that you need to add, like, which will also help with your score. And the paragraphs, you only have 25. Yeah, you also, if you might also be missing like alt text on some of the images, so you can fix that. Let's see what else. 33 paragraphs. Yep. Yeah. Once you do all of that, I'm not going to do that right now. The video is only 10 minutes. So, but once you do all that, the score will go up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And that's it for blog. I think that's it for the video. It's already pretty long, so sorry about that. If you have any questions, please reach out to me at sjoyce@fulltimecyber.com, and I'm happy to help. Thank you.